Hi guys, if you're thinking about buying the Makita MW001GZ 40V MAX XGT Lithium-Ion 1.5 CUFT Cordless Microwave, be sure to check the purchase link in the description below. Now let's take a closer look at one of the most unexpected products Makita has ever introduced. When most people hear the Makita name, they immediately think of drills, impact drivers, saws, and other professional-grade power tools. A cordless microwave probably isn't the first thing that comes to mind, but that's exactly what makes this product so interesting. Makita has taken its trusted battery technology and applied it to something that can make a real difference for people who spend long hours away from traditional power sources. The MW001GZ is designed for professionals, campers, RV owners, field technicians, emergency responders, and anyone who needs the convenience of hot meals while working or traveling. Instead of relying on generators or searching for electrical outlets, this microwave lets you heat food almost anywhere using Makita's 40V MAX XGT battery platform. The first thing you'll notice is its tough construction. This isn't a standard kitchen microwave with a rugged exterior added later. It's engineered from the ground up to handle demanding environments. The reinforced housing is built to withstand transportation, daily job site conditions, and outdoor use while maintaining the premium quality Makita products are known for. Inside, you'll find a spacious 1.5 cubic foot cooking capacity, providing enough room for meal containers, frozen dinners, soup bowls, beverages, and other everyday food items. Whether you're reheating lunch during a busy workday or preparing dinner at a campsite, the interior offers the versatility most users need. Using the microwave is straightforward. The digital control panel is clean and easy to understand, while multiple power settings allow you to choose the right balance between heating speed and battery efficiency. A bright interior light lets you monitor your food without opening the door, helping maintain consistent heating. One of the biggest advantages is compatibility with Makita's growing XGT battery system. If you already own other Makita 40V MAX XGT tools, you can use the same batteries, making this microwave a convenient addition to your existing equipment. Since this is the tool-only version, batteries and the charger are sold separately, which is actually a benefit for users who already own compatible batteries. Makita has also included practical features that improve everyday use. The secure door latch helps prevent accidental opening during transport, while the integrated carrying handles make moving the microwave between your vehicle, workshop, campsite, or job site quick and comfortable. Battery runtime will naturally vary depending on battery capacity, microwave power settings, and the food being heated. Larger battery packs provide longer operating times, making them ideal for full workdays or extended outdoor trips. What really separates this microwave from anything else on the market is the freedom it provides. You no longer have to settle for cold meals or waste valuable time driving to restaurants during breaks. Whether you're on a construction site repairing utility lines, camping in remote locations, or traveling in an RV, having access to hot food can make your day much more comfortable. Overall, the Makita MW001GZ is an innovative product that delivers exactly what it promises. It combines cordless convenience, durable construction, practical features, and dependable performance into a package that's unlike almost anything else available today. If you're already invested in the Makita XGT platform or simply want one of the most unique portable appliances available, this microwave is definitely worth considering. If you'd like to learn more or check today's latest price, simply visit the product link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.